Hi guys, this is Neetu and I'm here to show you a more champagne, gold, pink kind of New Year's and very sparkly holiday New Year's look. So the last makeup tutorial that I did was a more festive kind of Christmassy look, and this time I'm going for a more glamorous, in my opinion glamorous, New Year's kind of look. I say in my opinion glamorous because everyone has a different idea of what is glamorous. For some people this might be really over the top. That's because I'm also wearing fake eyelashes, but you don't have to wear the fake eyelashes, and you can dumb down the look. You can put a more nude lip. I'm doing a red lip, but do whatever you want because makeup is all about having fun, right? So I hope you like this tutorial, so let's get started. Okay, so I've done half my eye area. I even put some blush on half my face, but I'm gonna show you how to do it on the other eye. So why did I do that? I don't know. Okay, so the first thing I did was I took this kind of light, kind of almost gold, but it's like barely gold. It's kind of like a beige, but very sparkly shade. So just choose, a lighter, sparklier, goldy-ish shade. And I put that in the corners. So I just put that up here, just get it all in there, and in the corners as well, and in the bottom part as well. Okay, and now I'm gonna take this it's a very sparkly kind of gold shade, and I'm just gonna put that all over. And I'm concentrating it in this part more. But anyways, after I'm gonna use this over again, so. Okay, now this is the Proof 10 eye pencil, and it's a more shimmery black shade. But anyways, I'm gonna start with this on the inside here.
But then I move to the outside and go like that.
So I just line my eye like that. I'm gonna leave the bottom empty right now. So I don't have a very kind of darker pink shade. So what I did was I took this is number 6 by Makeup Forever, the Aqua Cream, well it says waterproof cream color. So this is kind of a light pink shade. And then I took the red one, which is number 8 by Makeup Forever, and I kind of put a little of the red in there and mixed it together. So a darker pink color that I can use not only today because it's in there, but on whenever I want. So I'm gonna start from the bottom area, and I'm using my brush to just put it on, but I'm going to blend it so it goes up. So it's darker, but then it just kind of blend it up so it gets lighter at the top. Okay, now I'm back to this eyeshadow, and I'm gonna take the gold one again. It's kind of a beige gold, and I'm gonna go over that again. Do you see? So it does have that kind of champagne-y but pink as well. And I'm gonna take the lighter color again and just go over the corners again. And more of this gold color again, just to put on the under eye, going all the way around. Now I'm back to my favorite palette by Yves Saint Laurent, number 3, the 5 color harmony for eyes, number 3. And I'm gonna use today this purple color, and it is kind of a burgundy purple, so it goes really good with pinks. And I'm just gonna take some of the purple on this brush, and I'm going to put it on the eyeline and concentrate on this part here. And then I'm actually going to go up into the crease like that. Just a little. And blend that. So keep looking at your eyes to make sure the colors match, because sometimes I think, oh, maybe this is a little bit of a darker, this one's lighter, I don't know. But then you can add more purple, or you can add more of the lighter pink if you think this one's lighter or something. But yeah, so you just have to play with it until the colors match, because I didn't have the exact colors that I wanted, and so I made them. This palette with the gold here, look inside, is by Visee, and it's a shiny compact, but it's by a Japanese company called Visee. Actually, the company is Kosè, Kosè Cosmetics, and this you can get in Japan. I don't know where else. I don't know where else you can get this except in Japan. But anyways, yeah, just look for sparkly gold and a sparkly black, because you can use the black as an eyeliner too, but then just don't tightline it. Now I'm taking this sparkly black color and I'm going to use that as the eyeliner. I'm going to put it at the bottom as well. So now I'm going to make, you know, that V shape in the corner. And now if you want, you can just put mascara and you're done with the eyes. But if you want, you can put on fake eyelashes. And so on this eye, I did put a pair of fake eyelashes on, and they're kind of half lashes. Dollywink is my favorite brand of eyelashes. This is reflective as well, but these are the number 4s, and they are natural. They say natural half. These are quite long. There. Okay, I feel like these kind of lashes are so easy to put on, and I really like the glue that it comes with. So it comes with a little tube when you buy it. So I just put the glue on like that. Place them. I generally start from the center of my eye and go out for these half lashes. See, so starting from the center, like if I look this way, it starts there, going out. And then you have to wait for the glue to dry. Okay, while we're waiting for the glue to dry, I'll just put the blush into my lips. This is by Peripera Smile Fit Blusher number 5, and it's quite a pigmented kind of color. I'm gonna put that up here this time. Any kind of darker kind of lip liner on. So this is kind of a natural but darker one. If you have red, use that. I don't have red. I had put some lip balm on earlier. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Aqua Cream.
So, what should I do? Excuse me. Oh my gosh, I got it kind of all over the place, but I don't want to waste it,
So I'm just gonna rub that on like so. I was just using the viewfinder for guidance, so I hope I did that right. Okay, so I kind of washed my hands and I kind of fixed my, you know, lips up a bit and my hands up a bit, and stuff was red and it was a disaster. That's typical for me. Actually, I could have put the mascara on before the false eyelashes, but so I'm just putting them on this part because that helps them blend with the fake ones, because look how dramatic the fake ones are. But I'll just put a little bit here too, but I'm just kind of putting it on this part where there aren't the fake eyelashes, so then it blends better, and of course on the bottom lashes. Okay, Okay, that's what it looks like. And because it's New Year's, I don't really want to go for the glossy lip because maybe you're going to kiss someone. And if you're going to kiss someone, this is okay, but if you don't want your lipstick to transfer, you can put some loose powder. Like I can try some of this and put it on your finger and just pat it on. And you can use a brush to, so you do that and you wipe off the excess powder that might be on there. And your lips are now definitely matte and more kiss proof. So yay! And that might help your lipstick to stay on longer. The Makeup Forever Aqua Cream kind of stays on pretty long, but it's not completely eat proof. Like when you eat, it does come off. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and happy holidays. Bye!